Hi viewers, the next strategy I'm going to teach you for long division is the area model. And this is a new strategy that our students are just learning and they're becoming very good at it, but this is definitely going to help you at home with their homework. How we begin doing area model is we begin with a rectangle. And this is the area that we want to fill up. At the end, this should equal 545. Where I place my 5, the number I'm dividing by, is on the top. This strategy uses a lot of guess and check. So the first thing I'm going to do is ask myself, 5 times what is going to get me close to 545? Well, I like to use benchmark numbers or landmark numbers to start off with. So the first number I'm going to start off with is 100. Because I know that 5 times 100 is 500. So that gets me pretty close to 545. Okay, here's the tricky part. Where do I put all these numbers in my area model? So the 5 is already on top. The 100, the number that I'm multiplying by, goes on this side. So all the numbers being multiplied by are on the outside of the area, and all the answers go in the inside of the area. So 500 goes on the inside. Okay, now I've taken up 500 of this area already. And I need to subtract and see what I have left to fill. So I subtract 500 from 545. 5 minus 0 is 5, 4 minus 0 is 4, and 5 minus 5 is 0. So I have 45 left. Okay, again, I need to ask myself, what can I multiply times 5 to get me close to 45? Well, I know that 8 times 5 is 40, and I know that 9 times 5 is 45. So, let's plug our numbers in. 5 at the top, 9 on the outside, and 45 in the middle. Okay, just to make sure that I have the right answer, I'm going to still subtract to make sure that I don't have any remainders. Okay, so now that I've filled up 545 of my area, where's my answer? And this is a tricky part that sometimes our students struggle with finding. The answer is on the outside over here. So what we're going to be adding together is 100 plus 9. So we know 100 plus 9 is 109. So the answer to 545 divided by 5 can be found on the outside if you add them up. So 109.